Understanding Get Enough Rest, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, get enough rest. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help in everyday conversations. Let's dive in. Get enough rest is a phrase that means to obtain a sufficient amount of relaxation or sleep. It's often used in the context of health and well-being. The word, enough, indicates an adequate or satisfactory amount, and rest refers to a period of relaxing, sleeping, or not engaging in strenuous activity. In this section, we'll talk about the importance of rest. Rest is crucial for maintaining good health, both physically and mentally. It allows our body and mind to recover from daily activities. Without enough rest, people can feel tired, irritable, or unable to concentrate. Here, we'll see how get enough rest is used in everyday language. For example, you look tired, make sure you get enough rest tonight. After the surgery, the doctor advised her to get enough rest. We'll also explore phrases related to rest, like take a break, have a good night's sleep, and relax. These phrases are often used interchangeably with get enough rest, but can have slightly different contexts. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, get enough rest, and its importance in everyday English. Remember, getting enough rest is key to staying healthy and alert. See you in the next video.